Every day I learn something new. Every night I grow more fluent. English is becoming part of my life. Your progress may feel invisible tonight, but it's happening. Every phrase settles deeper into your subconscious memory. Tomorrow, when you speak, the right words will come easier, smoother, and with confidence. Let's move further with one more gentle vocabulary moment. The word journey. It means a long process of growth or travel. You can say, my English journey is beautiful, or we're all on our own journey, or enjoy your journey. Repeat softly, my English journey is beautiful, we're all on our own journey. Enjoy your journey. Now close your eyes, breathe slowly, and let English drift around you like a soft wind. You are learning effortlessly, you are improving beautifully, and every breath brings you closer to real fluency. As you continue to rest, you might feel the English sounds melting into your thoughts. They become part of the background, gentle like the hum of the night. That's the secret. Fluency begins not with effort, but with calm listening and repetition that feels almost like breathing. Imagine yourself sitting beside a window on a rainy afternoon. The rain falls softly outside. You whisper to yourself, it's raining again. I love this weather. You take a sip of tea and think, the sound of rain makes me calm. Then you watch the drops slide down the glass and say quietly, it's beautiful, isn't it? This moment is not just peaceful, it's full of English you can feel. Let's practice gently. It's raining again. I love this weather. The sound of rain makes me calm. It's beautiful, isn't it? These soft sentences teach you rhythm, feeling, and tone, all essential for natural fluency. Now imagine your friend calls you on the phone. They ask, hey, what are you doing? You reply, nothing much, just relaxing. They say, do you want to go out for dinner? You smile and answer, sure, that sounds great. Repeat softly in your mind, what are you doing? Nothing much, just relaxing. Do you want to go out for dinner? Sure, that sounds great. Short phrases, but they hold real-life energy, the kind you use naturally, without overthinking. Let's add a bit of vocabulary now. The word conversation. It means talking with someone. You can say, we had a nice conversation, or I enjoy conversations in English, or let's have a conversation about it. Repeat softly, we had a nice conversation. I enjoy conversations in English. Let's have a conversation about it. Now the word experience. It means something you've lived through or learned from. You can say, learning English is an amazing experience. Or, that was a strange experience. Or, experience helps you grow. Whisper them quietly. Learning English is an amazing experience. That was a strange experience. Experience helps you grow. Now imagine you're at a bookstore, surrounded by quiet shelves and soft music. You ask the worker, excuse me, where can I find books to learn English? They reply, they're on the second floor, near the window. You thank them and say, thank you very much, I love reading. They smile. That's the best way to learn. Repeat softly. Excuse me, where can I find books to learn English? They're on the second floor near the window. Thank you very much. I love reading. That's the best way to learn. These are peaceful, real exchanges that strengthen memory through emotion. Now let's explore another feeling word. Grateful. It means thankful or appreciative. You can say, I'm grateful for what I have. Or, I'm grateful for this opportunity. Or, be grateful every day. Whisper softly, I'm grateful for what I have. I'm grateful for this opportunity. Be grateful every day. Gratitude adds warmth to your English. It changes tone, makes speech sound more natural, more human. Now, imagine you're sitting on a bus, watching the world outside move slowly. You hear two people talking. One says, the city looks beautiful at night. The other replies, yes, the lights make everything feel alive. You listen and think, I love hearing English around me. Repeat softly. The city looks beautiful at night. The lights make everything feel alive. I love hearing English around me. You are learning through stillness, through emotion, through presence. Let's do a short fluency practice. Imagine you're at a cafe with a friend. They ask, "How was your day?" You reply, "It was busy but good." They nod. "Same here, I need a break." You both laugh and you say, "Let's just relax and enjoy this moment." Repeat softly. "How was your day?" "It was busy but good." "Same here, I need a break." Let's just relax and enjoy this moment. Real English. Spoken gently, remembered deeply. Now let's expand vocabulary again. The word progress, it means improvement or movement forward. You can say, "I'm making good progress," or "Progress takes time," or "Your progress is amazing." Whisper softly, "I'm making good progress." Progress takes time. Your progress is amazing. Then the word focus returns again. You can say, "Focus on your goals," or "It's hard to focus when you're tired," or "Focus brings success." Repeat softly. Focus on your goals. It's hard to focus when you're tired. Focus brings success. Now, a short imagination practice to strengthen connection between feeling and fluency. Picture yourself traveling abroad for the first time. You arrive at the airport, you hear different voices, announcements in English, a kind stranger smiles and says, "Do you need help?" You reply, "Yes, please, I'm looking for gate B2. They point and say, "It's over there." You smile and say, "Thank you so much." Repeat this softly. "Do you need help?" "Yes, please, I'm looking for gate B2. It's over there. Thank you so much." Each phrase helps you sound clear, polite, and confident. The essence of natural English. Now, let's explore vocabulary about emotions again. The word excited. It means happy and full of energy about something. You can say, "I'm excited to learn," or "She's excited about her new job," or "We're excited for tomorrow." Whisper softly, "I'm excited to learn." She's excited about her new job. We're excited for tomorrow. Now calm, peaceful and steady inside. You can say, "I feel calm now," or "Stay calm, everything will be fine," or "The sea looks calm today." Repeat gently, "I feel calm now, stay calm, everything will be fine. The sea looks calm today." As you drift deeper, realize that the more you feel these words, the more naturally you use them. English is emotion. Every sound, every pause carries meaning. Now imagine it's late at night. You're talking to yourself before sleep. You whisper, "I learned a lot today. I'm proud of myself. Tomorrow I'll learn even more." Repeat softly, "I learned a lot today. I'm proud of myself. Tomorrow I'll learn even more." You're training your subconscious mind to love English, to hold it gently, to let it grow with ease. And now, another daily life moment. You're walking through a market. A vendor says, "Would you like to try some fruit?" You reply, "Sure, what is this called?" They say, "It's a mango." You smile, "It's delicious." Repeat softly, "Would you like to try some fruit?" "Sure, what is this called?" "It's a mango, it's delicious." These real-life phrases create small, memorable English pictures